Hey, this is Adam Shelton, and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to have some fun here today. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the subscription below. Don't forget to hit me some likes and some comments below this video, and also hit the notification bell. Whenever I go on live, you can go ahead and see a video just like this. Now, today's content, we're going to talk about the three most profitable niches in affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing niche, you do have to believe that these three profitable niches are going to make you successful, and they have been tested by the leaders out there. Three of the most profitable niches, I'm going to go ahead and discuss and disclose what those are, because I think it's important when you're starting affiliate marketing business, especially if you're a beginner. You need to know what type of niche that's more profitable, because I don't want to waste your time. Now, when I first started out affiliate marketing, I didn't really know about these three profitable niches that I'm going to go ahead and give to you. But I didn't know about it, so I was just choosing hobbies that, that wasn't necessarily generating any type of profits really. But I think they were just hobbies. They were hobbies. They wasn't really a particular niche that's going to bring me profits, and that's what I struggle with, and that's what I don't want you to struggle with. I want you to know exactly what niche is going to give you profitable, because affiliate marketing is all about bringing customers, communicating with those customers, building relationships, but you also want to know what niches are being profitable. So I think that's a big pain point. I know that was a big problem with me when I started affiliate marketing, that I didn't necessarily know what a niche was and didn't understand what the profitable three niches that is on internet marketing world. So let's go ahead and disclose one of them right now, and it's no in particular order that I'm going ahead and discuss this with you today. So the one here I'm going to go and give to you is going to be wealth. See, wealth. So the wealth. Now, wealth niche is anything from making money from home, selling products from home. So Amazon, if you're selling products from Amazon or eBay or Etsy or even affiliate high ticket program, that is called the wealth niche. Now, below this video, I do have a link below that you can go ahead and get started with a high ticket affiliate program that you can make money from home as quick as humanly possible. In terms of getting started with the training, you can go and click on that link to get started. But the wealth niche is anything that you're selling products, anything that you're working from home, anything that is going to be described as the wealth niche. The Bitcoin, that's another hot niche out there. It's about making money from home. There's different type of programs and products that you can sell and illustrate to go ahead and bring profits from home. And the numbers are terrific in that, because people love the work from home stuff, because everybody wants that freedom lifestyle, and making money and profit from home is a high thing that people like to do. So that's number one. And number two I have on the list here is going to be go ahead and see if I can health. So we got wealth and health. We got wealth and we got health on the three profitable niches. Remember, we have three there. Now, the wealth here is all about health and fitness products. So once again, if you're selling health and wealth products, that's considered of the health niche. If you have a passion for in terms of your body and things like that, in terms of fitness, this will be the category for you in terms of the profit. You can actually do a YouTube channel if you're a cook and you want to basically teach people about eating healthy. You can start a YouTube channel and actually sell your products right from your channel. All you need to have is the affiliate link that discussing and describing that particular product, and that customer can go ahead and pay for that product, and you will get a commission for. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about selling a service or a product that you can get commission for. So you basically don't even have to create your own particular offer. You can sell other people's offers to get the income in. And fitness, health and fitness is a very hot item out there, especially all the keto diets, all the health in terms of like what you put inside your body, all the dieting, because we care about our bodies too. We want the wealth, of course, but we also want the health, because you get all this money in, you definitely want to be able to be healthy to enjoy it. And people these days now care about health and fitness more than ever. It's a hot niche out there, so check it out. If you're interested in health and fitness, you want to take a look at that if you have a passion for helping people reaching their goals in health and fitness. So that's health is 2. Here's wealth is right here is number 1. And the third one here that I'm going to talk about here is something that I didn't know anything about in terms of a niche that people really want this. But when I sat there and thought about it, and I actually asked my wife about this about a few minutes ago before this video, she's like, yeah, this definitely be a hot niche. And that is dating niche. The dating niche, which is called dating relationships. So they say dating, you know, the niche right there. So dating. So I'm missing the D. My D's a little cricket, guys. So the dating niche, relationships. So we can say the dating relationships. So guys, the dating relationships right here. Dating relationship, health, and wealth. Now the dating relationships, obviously out there, is definitely popular though, because you have a lot of people out there just looking for a date. You got a lot of single men and women out there that's needing a date. And if you have a passion, if you have some of that drive, they're like, you know what? I want to be able to help people connect together. This is the niche for you, especially if you have some expertise training to actually do this type of stuff. You can make a lot of money basically in a dating niche, because it's Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, people looking for a date. You send them an affiliate offer. Go ahead and send them an offer, basically a dating site or dating affiliate program that you have. You can be able to help somebody out as quick as humanly possible, especially if they're interested in a dating niche. And because, you know, you got Match.com, you got other programs out there, but if you have your own affiliate program offer out there and you can hit the right target audience, you really can help some people out in terms of the dating niche. So it's very, very high in numbers because, as I was saying before, there's a lot of people out there that's single, that wants a date, that wants to build a relationship, that wants to go ahead and take that next step. And if you got a passion for it, I'm telling you, you guys can do a very, very good job. You just have to believe in any of these niches right here. You have to believe which one is going to be for you. You got wealth, health, and dating. Now, for me, I'm in the wealth niche. You know, I like to help people make an income from home. I love the stock market. I'm talking about stocks and investing in stocks, and also investing in products that's going to help you, you know, get a freedom lifestyle from home. Now, health, I do like taking care of my body, but it's not my necessarily niche in terms of health and fitness. I am more fitting more in the wealth category in terms of the niche. So, guys, you need to find what your passion is before you start affiliate marketing. Find your niche. Believe and find what you're interested in, because that's going to help you and save you a lot of time before you get started. Now, this is not necessarily hard. Which one do you fit in? You may need to take a little bit more time to figure those things out. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Show me some likes, comments below this video, and also, if you're interested in working from home on a high-ticket affiliate program, can teach you all the skills to go ahead and work from home, click on the link below this video. I do have an affiliate program that can get you started as quick as humanly possible. All right, guys, have a good day. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next time when we do a video. See you guys later.